Hello, welcome to this quick video showing how to quickly remove a set of jelly tips put on with peel base just using cuticle oil and tweezers or like a cuticle pusher. So stick around. I applied these with HEMA free 2-in-1 gel base. And then I had put peel base underneath that first on top of builder gel. I did 2 layers, relatively thick, and I made sure to do them edge to edge so that I knew I could quickly remove these as soon as I used cuticle oil. I did not use cuticle oil for the 5 days that I had these on. So they stayed on nicely, and I just made sure to be, kind of gentle with them. Because I didn't want them to come off before I had a chance to finish them. I'm just going to keep working in my cuticle oil here. You don't want to force it. So I'm going to slide my tweezers into the sides and see if I can get any, well, there went my thumbnail. That was nice and fast. So yeah, you just go ahead and you work them side to side. I usually give it a little squeeze and then, and there it goes. This one is a little more stiff and you don't want to ever force it. So I go ahead and I add some more cuticle oil and massage it in a little more, and I move on. I'm using my favorite cuticle oil right now. It's by Blackbird Dips. The scent is Strawberries Wild, I think, but it just smells amazing. She's been working on a whole fragrance line. She's got like aura sprays and room sprays and cuticles, and I love that she does like these little sample bottles. They're so adorable, and it gives you a chance to figure out if you're really gonna like mesh with a scent. Like I have migraines that are triggered by scents, so it really works for me to like try out something and then see if it's something that's gonna like hurt me or trigger a migraine. And then obviously I'm not gonna keep using it. I usually give it to my niece, and she loves getting new scents. She's really adventurous with that. So yeah, I love that, and they're really affordable. And you can use my code. It's BDAZZLD10, and that saves you 10% on everything. There's no exclusions or minimums. So I tilted my tip a little bit so I could see that I had a lift at the cuticle. So I could go ahead and insert the tip of my tweezers in there and pop it right off. There we go. We have all 5 removed under 5 minutes, very gently. The builder gel didn't lift. There was no damage done. And yeah, I'm ready to go. I took them off really because I had to do a lot of computer work this weekend, and I have a really shallow keyboard and they don't really work with long nails, and there was no overspill of my the gel, so I can actually wear these another time, and I'm actually going to go ahead and clean them and keep them. No lifting. Easy peasy. Thanks, Peelie Base. Thanks for taking the time to hang out. I hope this was helpful. Like, comment, subscribe, stick around. Hope to see you soon.